a reasonable guy, but I've just experienced some very unreasonable things.
Reason number 8,647 that I hate social media influencers. TikTok influencer Katie Brooks, who goes by the TikTok handle of Bona Pasta Club, decided that flying in a metal tube 30,000 feet above the earth wasn't enough of a thrill. Nope. She had to go full chef mode and make homemade pasta from scratch on the plane while filming it for TikTok. Flour flying everywhere, tiny little rolling board in hand, dough shaping like it's some kind of cooking show special, right next to people who are just trying to, sleep, read, or maybe survive turbulence without, carb dust in their eyes. So, of course, the internet lost its collective mind. Critics slammed her for hygiene, because, come on, people. Airplanes are already germ central. They're gross. As a seasoned flyer, I take sanitizing wipes with me. Before I even sit down, I wipe the seat and the armrest. Pull down the tray table, wipe that bad boy down too. And even then, if I'm putting snacks on it, I try to put down paper first. Because, ew. And then, of course, there's the potential allergen drama. Somebody's gluten intolerance doesn't care that you're a TikTok star. Just saying. But this is why social media influencers are so exhausting. Every stunt, every viral post is about attention over common sense. Creativity? Sure. If that's your bag, right on. But when your idea of fun content involves inconveniencing strangers, spreading germs, and risking a mid-air mess, maybe, not get on the plane. Or if you're on the plane, stay off the TikTok feed. The world does not need your pasta theatrics, Katie. We just need a window seat, some peace, and the faint hope of landing without a carb explosion in our lap.
The World of Outlaws did over the weekend. They were out on